Hi, I'm Samantha Barry. I'm going to be reading Time to Go Bello by Jackson and illustrated by Jackson. Bello and his friends are playing, but suddenly hunters arrive to catch them. While flying away from the woods, Bello decides to take a swim. Time to go, Bello. The hunters are chasing us. Then Bello sees a red butterfly. It's so beautiful. Time to go, Bello. Hey guys, Bello calls. Look at the colorful butterflies. Oh no, Bello's been left behind. If my friends are gone, I can play however I want. What fun! But soon, Bello feels lonely. He wants to be with his friends. Time to go! A white butterfly follows Bello, but Bello must fly. Wow! There's a dragonfly. No, Bello must. Whoa! What's that? Fireflies. Their light is beautiful. So bright, it's blinding. Time to go! Bello flies away as fast as he can. Eat quick. Drink faster. Fly faster. Hey, isn't that Bello? Hooray! Now Bello and his friends are safe together.